welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for amazing support. And if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, we are talking about the new engaged couple, Bebso Dumo and Mampintsha. I feel their proposal was just a publicity stunt, just for the couple to be on the spotlight. After Mampintsha proposed Bebs, he's been posting Sikongelela imali yomshado, meaning we are accumulating funds for our wedding. Guys, in all his booking advertisement, he's been saying that this is not a coincidence that Mampintsha and Bebso Dumo's proposal comes in time when Showmax revealed the news about their reality show titled Uthando Lodumo that will start next year, February. Uthando Lodumo will all about their love life, not leaving out gender-based violence issues related to their relationship. The producers hinted, we do not condone any forms of abuse or gender-based violence, but we believe that South Africans need to talk about these issues and confronting them. In the series, we will hear from Bebs, Mampintsha, friends, family, and professionals as they discuss the past, the present, and the future of their relationship. Guys, I might be lying, but this is my feeling about their engagement. Please comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.
Uyavuma baby.